How to share games on Steam. So if you want to share games on Steam, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Steam application, go with the upper left, which has that Steam icon, and then go with settings. Under settings, go with the interface section, and here you will have client beta participation. Just go with the drop down, and here you will have an option of Steam families beta. So you just need to simply click on that option. But if you don't find the option, then it might be automatically turned on. But if you have the option, then you just need simply click on the option and just restart your Steam or relaunch your Steam. Once you've done that, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the top right, and then go with the account details. And here on the left side, go with family management. And from here, you can either join a family or create a family. So, for example, if you go with join a family, to join an existing Steam family, an adult member that you are friends with on Steam must invite you. So if you have an invite, then you can just simply go with join a family. But if you don't have an invite and if you want to share games on the Steam with others, then you can just create a family. So just click on create a family and then enter the family name and then click on create. Once you've created, then you will have the members in your family. The other persons should accept your invite. Once they accepted your invite, then you will be able to share the games on the Steam in this family. And you need to note other thing that you must wait a year to join another family after initially joining one family. So that's how you can share games on your Steam by creating family. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.